Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a video on, I wanted to get a phone mount for my Velotrek bike, my Velotrek Discover 2. You've probably seen in one of my previous ride videos that let me share, I used one of my RAM mounts, my old RAM mount that I used to have on my old motorcycle for my phone. Well, that was back when I had a smaller phone. This one doesn't fit in there that well. And this is a little bit bulky, I think, I don't like it, and having a hard time without it hitting the buttons, So, yeah. So let me take this one off. All right. Anyway, I picked up this bike phone mount from JOYROOM, okay? If this is something that interests you, the link will be in the description below. Okay? Wasn't that bad of a price, so let's open this up. Hopefully this will be, better. So let's see what we got here. Got instructions. Okay. Got the base. Got the part that mounts onto the handlebar. All right. So this clamp here has a bunch of different pieces of rubber in here, depending on the size of your would you take them out? Depending on the size of your handlebars, you put more in there. Okay. So according to the instructions here, the first thing we need to do is take this off. Put this on there, I guess, right? Yep. And fix this to this. Pop this on there a little bit. There we go. And spin that on there. Okay. Now, I think I need 3 of them in there. 3 pieces of the rubber things, I think. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. There we go. Let's get this back together. Hopefully. All right. So you just keep twisting this till it gets tight. Okay. Oh, not tight enough. Everything's on there now. All right, so let's see here. Next thing to do is open that up, I guess, yeah. Spin this knob here, if you spin it, it opens up. Okay. Let's see here. Let me tighten this a little bit, just to see if that's tighten the knob on the back. See if that's where I want it. Let's take my phone. Nope, not yet. Gotta open it up more. There we go. There. And you flip this and it stays in there securely. All right, there we go. Let's see here. Let's see here. If I bring up my maps. So here's my phone. All right, so I can do my throttle here. I can do everything else I need right there. And this won't be in the, so, okay. This won't be in the way for when I take my phone out. Oh, see, now it's moving. I gotta tighten that up some more. All right, so the phone's, let's see. Phone's moving, so let's see here, just tighten. See where I'm on it. Let's tighten up this knob some more. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, guess that's as tight as it's gonna get. There we go. Okay. So, when I'm riding, I think that'll be good. When I'm up on the bike, yeah, got my phone here and everything else there, so that'll be good. What do you think? It's in there, not moving. It's pretty good. If you want to take the phone out, you take, just flip that out, and the phone slides out. And then you know, slide the phone in, and boom, there. You know, if you get a different phone, you just adjust, you know, I'll flip it out there, then, you know, this knob here adjusts the width. It's pretty good. Yeah, so if I ever get a different phone, you just spin this knob back and forth to get it to where you want it for your new phone. You want it to be able to slide in easy enough, but not too easy. Like that, there you go. Because you want to be able to flip this over, lock it in, and then there. I think that's good. What do you think? All right, that's the end of the video. JOYROOM bike phone mount. Relatively inexpensive. Mounts on there better, takes up less room, and it fits a lot of different phones. A lot of different handlebars. Like I said, you just, you know, remove the rubber pieces that you don't need for whatever thickness of your handlebars, and mounts right on there. I like it. It looks better. It fits better. Fits my phone better. And yeah, we'll see how good it works. You know, how long it lasts. Like I said, it's relatively cheap. So, if this product interests you, there'll be a link in the description below. And yes, it will be an affiliate link, so I will receive a small commission, but no extra charge to you. Anyway, if you're interested in it, link's down there. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when I put out new videos. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're interested in any other products mentioned in my videos, check out my Linktree store in the description of each of my videos. It lists all the products that I use on this channel. Most of them are affiliate links, just to let you know. And just check it out. But anyway, if you're interested in more videos, check out the one up here. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.